ScheduelMe. What it's supposed to do is exchange phone numbers between a group of people in a room via Bluetooth and allow event scheduling over Bluetooth. However, there's an app like this already called Bomb, but it doesn't support multiple Bluetooth connections. Nor calendar support on the Android devices. The social networking part of it would be exchanging phone numbers over Bluetooth. The server would collect phone numbers from different phones and then push them out to each phone. Event scheduling. We didn't get this to work, but you should be able to share events over Bluetooth and store them into your calendar. It will find a free time for you if there's one available. But we couldn't figure out how to pass the calendar data over Bluetooth. We have some controls that kept us from progressing. So, and these were connecting more than one device to the server. And we needed devices physically with us to do the testing and passing the calendar data. Potential for this app was supporting multiple connections. The Bump app didn't do that, it only did it 1 pair at a time. And transferring calendar event information over Bluetooth would be another upgrade since we can accomplish that goal this time. And then we're going to do a demo.
We are trying to make like let's say we have 10 people and we want to schedule a meeting at the same time, but you don't know who is available at what kind of time. That's the original goal. We want to like catch the calendar data from the phone and use one phone as a Bluetooth server and the other phone as a client. Connect with Bluetooth server and try to and the server try to handle the data, handle the schedule and send back to each client. Unfortunately, we didn't figure out how to do this for the server. So we can connect with one client, but the other client when trying to connect with the server, then the server lost the connection.
Okay, so ideally, you're supposed to be able to like propagate the numbers between people in a group. So if you're in a group of people like us and you want to be able to communicate and schedule a meeting and stuff, then one person would set their phone up as a server on Bluetooth, and then everyone else would join as a client. And then they would join the network, send their phone number, and then the server would be able to send all of the phone numbers back to everyone in the group. And that's an easy way to propagate a group's information between everyone. And the idea was also to also be able to do this with a calendar so that you could schedule meetings and stuff. But the calendar has a lot of data, and we could not figure out an efficient way to do this over Bluetooth without killing the connection, because the connection dies very easily.
And you would be able to dial phone numbers from after you send them. There would be linkified, but we changed it so that the linear layout is displayed on the same screen as the menu, and it would show the linkified numbers. Just show things like this. Any questions?
Which one is the server?
Anyone can be a server.
Together, and if everyone tries to send at the same time.
Clients can send their phone numbers to the server. The server sends a collection of phone numbers to the client.
So where the server is running?
I'm sorry, what's your question?
Whichever one. The server is running.
The server is just running on the phone.
So each device is running as a server and client at the same time?
No. Yeah.
You click this button, this phone runs as a server.
Yeah, when you run as a server, it puts the phone into discovery mode, so all the clients can actually discover the server with its Bluetooth address. So it's actually listening on a socket using a UUID. And a lot of the complications we had with multiple Bluetooth connections was it seems you can only use a UUID once, and after that you have to use others. So we tried using a list of 7 different UUIDs, And it would just go through the list and for each different pair, choose another UUID. But could not get that to work reliably.
Any other questions?
All right, thank you.